Okay, so here we have powers that are 1/2, and every time we have a power of 1/2 we can replace it with the square root sign. So we're just going to do this pretty quickly. 5 to the power of 1/2. Now the power of 1/2 is on the 5, so that means we take the square root of the 5, and that's it. Okay, in B we have n to the power of 1/2, and the only reason I've done this is because the first one was a number. This one shows you that it works for letters as well. So the 1/2 is on the n, so take the square root of the n. Now the next two are a little bit, you have to be a little bit more careful with them. The first one, part C, is 8x to the power of 1/2. In this case, the 1/2 is only on the x, it's not on the 8. So the 8 is not in the square root, but the square root does go on the x. So it's 8 times the square root of x. And then in D, we have 3p in parentheses to the power of 1/2. Now, the fact that it's in parentheses means the 1/2 is on both parts of it. The 1/2 applies to everything. So because it's in parentheses, everything goes inside the square root sign. So it's the square root of 3p. And pay particular attention to the difference between part C and part D. Okay, in part C, 8x to the power of 1/2. The 1/2 is only on the x. There are no parentheses in C, so the square root only goes on the x. In D, everything was inside parentheses. The 1/2 was on parentheses, so we take the square root of everything and root 3p. Okay.